Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Sandra. Yes, you guessed right. This is your girl Sandra, and thank you for coming here. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome once again. And don't forget to watch my other videos that you might have missed. And if you are an ongoing subby, y'all know how much I love you guys, and thank you so much for the support. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this dress. Guys, I've been in this making clothes business for like a year now, and I have been making one thing. Can you imagine? Talk about not growing, stagnant. But yeah, I've been so scared to try out other things, but then today I decided to make this dress. This is not my first dress actually. My first dress was a pleated skirt. Did I just say pleated skirt? Joke's on me. And I had no idea what I was doing when I was making that dress, but it turned out great. So this is my second dress, and I love it so much. I hope you guys love it too, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching the video of how I made it so that you can do it yourself at home. So thank you guys for coming, and stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to invite a friend. Okay, thank you. So let's get to business. Now the first thing you're going to do is take the material and turn it and flip it inside out. You're going to use 1 yard of fabric, or let's say 1 meter of fabric. That's what I used to make this dress. You're going to flip it inside out and then lay it down on a flat surface so that you can easily draw the shape that you want out of it. And then I used, as you can see, I used my old dress to make sure that I get the shape that I wanted, the shape of the dress. And then I took my designer's chalk and drew the shape down. Now this is a ribbed material, so it stretches. So I made sure to take the same kind of dress so that I don't miss the shape or anything or the size. So obviously if it's ribbed, if it's the same material, it's going to give me the same shape that the other dress is. So yeah, you don't want to miss that. The next step now would be to take your designer's chalk and write the shape down. Now I didn't leave seam allowance, but then don't forget, just when you draw the shape, make sure to draw the exact shape, and then when you cut, that's the part where you leave the seam allowance. Once you're done marking, now you're going to take your pin's end, pin the fabric down before you can even cut it. Now we do this because we don't want the fabric moving about when you're cutting it and then messing everything up. So you're going to take your pins and pin everything slowly and steadily down. I'm sure I was supposed to pin the dress down before cutting it, but it is whatevs. So as you can see, I'm leaving seam allowance and cutting the dress. Make sure to do the right thing, because if you don't pin it down, you're going to mess everything up. Lucky for me, I didn't. So make sure to just pin the dress before you actually cut it. Guys, I don't want to lie to you. Cutting this material took a whole minute. It was just so hard to cut. Like, as you can see, I'm struggling, but you definitely want to take your time. Don't rush it, sis. Don't rush it. So here's the part that was supposed to be added before cutting the dress. So you're definitely going to pin the dress down so that it doesn't move about when you start sewing. So now let's get to my favorite part, sewing. Oh wait, is that a banana box? Guys, I'm sure you've heard of reuse. That is me reusing that. Just ignore that and focus on the sewing, because this is what you need, really, right? So yeah, you're going to sew everything down, and as you sew it down, make sure to take off the pins because they will prick you. Okay? They'll prick you. I've been burned so many times. I know what I'm talking about. Sorry, I don't even know why I'm doing that. But yeah, you're going to do that until the dress is fully sewn. Oh guys, you made it this far? I'm impressed. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Ciao! So now you're going to fold the top of the dress and make it look professional, make it look nice, make it look slick. So this is what you're going to do, and you're going to repeat this step at the bottom because it's just the same thing. So you're just going to pin it down, fold it, pin it down, and then sew it. Continue to sew it down with the sewing machine, and then do the same thing at the bottom. I'm not going to show the bottom clip because it's just the same thing. Repeat, repeat, and repeat. The next step is probably the hardest, but it's just a matter of patience, I think, because you have to fold and fold and fold and fold. Yeah, so it's just you have to fold those. You were making the straps, but first make sure you measure the straps. My advice is use a top that fits you perfectly because it makes things easier. Take a top or any top that has straps that you like the fit of and just use it to make the straps. You just measure using that top. That is probably the most simplest way to go about it. Those things, I don't know how to use the loop turner, so I just prefer to just fold it like that and then pin it and then sew it all down. I don't know if you can see, but I'll try and make it visible, or I'll try and make it clear. You're going to need 2 straps, which means you're going to repeat this step twice. Now what I'm doing here is measuring the length of the straps because I had measured prior and I found that it was, I think, 14 if not 12. So I'm trying to make sure that the strap is at that length. Now once you're done pinning the straps down, you're going to take them to the sewing machine to sew everything down. And don't forget to take out those pins as you sew because they will prick you. I'm going to repeat this until you get it. So I realized that on this next clip I was sitting closely to the camera, which means whatever I'm doing you can't really see. But what I did was measure 3 centimeters from the edge and then put the first strap, and then on the other edge measure 3 centimeters from the edge and then put another strap, and then I repeated the same step at the back. Measure 3 centimeters from the edge, put the first strap, measure 3 centimeters from the other edge and put the second strap. Then move on to sewing. You're just going to take your sewing the dress to the sewing machine, but I would advise you to use a zigzag stitch. If you feel uncomfortable using a zigzag stitch, you can use a straight stitch. It's still okay. I just prefer to use a zigzag stitch. You're going to do the same thing on the 4 straps of the dress until you are done, and that will be the end of our tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you loved and enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making this. I just love the fit of the dress. I love how it hugs my body. I love everything about it, and I love the color. And if you want to try this out, let me know how it goes. Send the pictures, share, and don't forget to hashtag Sandra and made me do it. And thank you guys for making it this far. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know down the comments below what you think about this dress and which color would you have picked. Whatever, just let me know what you think about this dress. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.